Hi. So now you're getting a little bit more comfortable with queries. You might start to be looking at some of our custom formulas or starting to want to manipulate your columns in a little bit more detail. So I am just going to hide a bunch of these columns here because what I want to do is look at our emails and I want to look at where they're coming from. So this might be that you want to understand if there's any particular companies that are cropping up a lot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new column. I'm going to click this plus button here, and I'm going to call this email domains because what I'm going to use is a formula from our cheat sheet. So there'll be a link to this cheat sheet for you there. And if you haven't used it before, basically it's a ton of formulas that you can use to manipulate the data in the columns that you have. So I'm going to grab this column extract, and you can see here that it tells you how to extract the domain from an email address. I am going to copy and paste that in here. And then the key thing here is to replace this column 1 with your actual column, because that's just a placeholder. That's just to tell you where to put the column that you want to use. So I'm going to grab C1 email because that's the one that has our email address in. And there's two things you can do. You can add this on at the end, or you can replace the existing column, which is what I'm going to do here. And you can see now that we see all of our email domains. So AccuWeather, Google, Cornell, they're all available to us.